Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today, we will be practicing drawing a jumping human form. And if you have your pencil and paper ready, we can begin drawing. So, to do this, I would first just put down a very thin stroke there, a curve like so, and then another arc right there, a circle, an oval right here, a circle there, one arc like so, circle, arc, and this one here, arc, just that much, circle, another arc. So the idea is that we'll be using a bit of perspective here. So circle joined by that arc, major arc, arc, circle, arc, arc, circle, arc. So if you just place them somewhat roundabout there, it should help. Then here we are putting arc, well, or it could be a straight line as well, circle, arc. So you could see here, let's put on two more circles there at that angle. So you could see here that almost looks like jumping or a person in motion like that. So, and let's add an oval right here, somewhere in between on that line, and then let us intersect that oval like that on one end, and like so. If I went too fast, you could just replay it and see it again. But that is the idea. Now we can begin constructing the basic form around the lines that we put up. Just do that first. It could be even a straight line, but if you just Google some images of the human body, like you will see that there's like curvature here and there. But right now we are practicing, so I'll just go in this certain direction. And again, you could use straight lines as well, but if you just look up some features of different body types or anatomy and motion, and just try to even merge different qualities into your artwork, it will be a very exciting practice. Now here, that circle that I've used here, that this is the hand basically, so I am doing that. So just those lines here, and you could model your own hand here and just see the composition of the fingers in relation to each other, and more or less then construct the hand like so, but it doesn't have to be the same again. Same thing will go here along the line. We are going to put down that other arm. So that bit there is basically the shoulder. And again, we are not really doing a lesson in anatomy here, but so this can be rough as long as you have that motion down, the action. Now here is where we will begin drawing the legs. So I'll go down that way and have one huge arc here for the bigger part of the leg. And then I am putting down the other part. And how this will signify jumping is with the feet now that we put down. So I'll just put down an oval like this and like that, and then just construct 2 feet somewhat like that according to the perspective and angle. And then the head, of course, it is a different story. We could have any type of head going there, and as you can see that it is hunched somewhat inside when the person is jumping, and that is what we are trying to show here. So once again I will use this pen. We started off with that arc, another arc, the circle, put down the oval there, arc, circle, circle at the end there. So those circles are basically separating the limbs there. And then we had put in an arc like that, and like that, and an arc like that and like that. And of course there was an oval there to determine the lower part of the torso. And then we built the jumping man around that draft. So that is one way of getting around to creating a jumping figure. I know that it's a very popular action used in different media. So I hope that you have a lot of fun practicing, and with patience and practice you will see that it will get easier and you will be able to draw this pose very effectively and very quickly. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been of help. Please do not forget to subscribe and have yourself a wonderful day.